Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami rocket. To make this model you're going to need one paper square. And to make the rocket take off, you need a straw, which can even be made of paper as well. Well, first of all, we need to fold this square in half, vertically and horizontally. So let's bring the right side to the left. Unfold and fold the horizontal by bringing the bottom side up. We can turn it over. And now we fold in half along both diagonals, marking something like a letter X. Just need to bring one corner to the other, align the edges, and reinforce very well. Now that we have the first one done, we can unfold and fold the opposite diagonal. This is ready. We can turn it over again and close by pushing the four sides to the center, thus creating a triangle with four flaps, two for each side. Here you can fix a little bit if necessary. And as a next step, starting on the first flap on the right, let's bring the top edge to the vertical line on the middle, creating a new diagonal fold. So let's bring to the middle and reinforce very well. Just make it really sharp. On the left side we do the same. Just bring to the middle and make a crease. Right, we have the front side done. Let's turn it over and repeat with the other two. Alright, now we have the four flaps folded to the middle. For the next step, let's repeat the same logic, making this space even smaller. As before, we'll start with the right flap, just bring it to the middle, make a crease, and repeat on the left. Finishing this, let's turn it over again and fold the other two. The paper is already very thin. Now we'll have to take these bottom tips and bring them out like that, creating diagonal folds. You can vary a little, but the important thing is that the four sides are the same, or as close as possible. I'll fold more or less like that. Now I'll try to do the same on the others. On the left I'll folding at the same height. On the other side, I can use the first two folds as guides. Finally, we just have to open the bottom space, put the finger inside and shape it like a rocket. Our origami rocket is ready! Now, to make it fly, we're going to need a straw. To make it easier and to help the environment, you can make a straw from a whole sheet of paper and some kind of cylinder. In my case, I'm going to use a hot glue stick. We just need to wrap the paper very well. Fix it a little bit in the end if necessary. And now, so that it doesn't open anymore, you can put some tape or even glue. I'm going to use tape because I think it's easier. Once done, this is more or less the result. To make it easier to get the rocket to take off, I recommend that you cut only the tip of this straw at an angle of about 45 degrees. Cutting at this angle, you have the possibility of turning the paper, reassemble on the other part, and now we have 90 degrees. Just close with tape, and now our paper straw is ready. Pay close attention. To make the rocket take off, you need some practice. You have to blow in the right place, the right strength, so it's normal at the beginning you have some difficulty, but once you get it, it's very easy. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.